Hey English learner, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to master preposition, the little words that show where someone or something is. We will use the sentence to see which preposition fits where and why. I am blank London. London is a city. We use in with cities or large areas to say someone is inside that place. I'm in London. Next, I'm blank home. Home is a specific location or point. We don't use in here. We use at. I'm at home. I am blank the park. For open spaces like park, where you can be inside the area, we use in. I am in the park. I am blank a bus. For vehicles, where you can stand or walk inside. Vehicles like buses, trains. For vehicles, we can use on. I am on a bus. I am blank the school. For institutions, when referring to the general location, not inside a building specifically, but general location, we use at. I am at the school. I am blank my room. For enclosed spaces like room, we use in. I am in my room. Follow for more. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.